Hello students, we are studying this chapter light, shadows and reflection, and in the last class we have studied about what is shadow and what are the things required for the formation of shadow. Now in this class we are going to study about characteristics of shadows, factors affecting the size of the shadow. These two topics today we are going to study. Now coming to the characteristics of shadow, means what are the different qualities within the characteristics of shadows. The first one is, it is always black regardless of the color of the object used to make the shadows. Yes, well, whenever you have seen the shadow, it is always black in color. Even if you are wearing a very colorful short, t-shirt, whatever, but your shadow is always black. Why it is black? Because when the light is reflected back by the surface, means by the opaque object, a darker region is created just opposite side of that object. Okay, so that's why the color of the object, color of the shadow is black regardless of the color of the object used to make the shadow. This is the first characteristics. Now coming to the second one, it only shows the shape or outline of the object and not the details. Yes, it only shows the shape and the outline. Whenever you have seen your shadow, you only are able to see the shape of your body and the outline of your body, not the every detail. Means what is the color of your eyes, what type of nose you are having, it is sharp or whatever, what is the color of your skin color. You're not able to see all the detailing of that. It only shows the shape or outline of the object and not the details. Even the third one is, the size of the shadows varies depending on the distance between the object and the source of light, and the distance between the object and the screen. See, the size of the shadows varies, means it is not going to be same throughout. It is going to be varying. It depends upon some points, like it depends upon the distance between the object, that is the opaque or can be translucent object, and the source of light, that particular source which emits light. Distance between the object and a source of light. And the other one is distance between the object and the screen. So it depends upon two things, that is the distance between the object and the screen, distance between the source of light and the objects. These are the different characteristics of shadow. Now coming to the factors affecting the size of the shadow, means how the size of the shadow can be changed. What are the different factors which affects the size of the object, size of the shadow? So the first one is, the size of the shadow depends on the distance of source of light and on angle at which the light rays fall on the object. Means the first one is, the size of shadow depends upon the distance of the source of light. Means how much source of light is present at what distance with respect to this object or the screen. This is the first point, and it also depends on the angle at which the light rays fall on the object. Means what is the angle made by this light source through the object, that it depends upon that also. If light source is present at this point, so the angle will be different. So the size of the shadow will also going to be changed. So the thing is that size of the shadow depends on the distance of source of light and on the angle at which the light fall on the object. Means at what angle it is falling on the object. Next one is, if the source of light is closer to the object, a larger shadow forms than when the source of light is far from the object. Means if the light source is just closer to the object, then the shadow formation will be larger. The larger shadow is formed than when the source of light is far away from this. If source of light is far away from this object, then the shadow will be not that much larger. It will be quite smaller and all. So the source of light is closer to the object, a larger shadow is formed than the source of light is far from the object. Next one is, the size of the shadow depends on the size of the object also. The distance from the light to the object and the distance from the light to the screen. Means the size of the shadow, as we have studied right now just before, that it depends upon two things, like distance between the light source and this object, and the distance between this object and the screen. So these two factors, these are the different factors on which the size of the shadow depends. Okay, so these are the different points. That is a distance between the light source and the object, and distance between the screen and also this object. Okay, so these are the different points. The size of the shadow depends on the size of the object, distance from the light to the object, and the distance from the light to the screen. These are the different points. Okay, so till here we will study today. So today we have studied about characteristics of shadows and factors affecting the size of the shadows. Here are some questions which is based on what we have studied today. I hope all of you are able to solve this question. Thank you.